Stacy Bloodworth, and I would like to compare and contrast the Internet, the World Wide Web, and briefly describe Webmail. First of all, the Internet is a global interconnected network of computer devices. It is a huge network that is accessible to everyone, anywhere across the world. The Internet is governed by a set of rules, laws, and regulations known as IP, which is Internet Protocol. The Internet is a hardware part collection of computer networks connected through copper wires, cables, and wireless connections. And it is governed by Internet Protocol. The Internet is a global system of interconnected computer network. To explain IP a little better, IP is a set of rules governing how things work in a certain technology when put into a network communication text. A protocol is a set of rules governing how packets are transmitted over a network. IP is most common protocol over the Internet. Basically, the Internet connects like roads and highways. No single person owns the Internet. No single government has authority over its operations. For the most part, the Internet is free and open broadcast medium of hardware networking. Second of all, I would like to briefly talk about World Wide Web, which is mainly known as www. That's a familiar term as a breakdown of the World Wide Web. It is the set of software services running on the Internet. It is a software part collection of web pages connected through hyperlinks and URLs. The World Wide Web is one of the services by Internet. Other services include email services. The World Wide Web is governed by Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, by linking of files, documents, and other resources of the World Wide Web. Web runs on the Internet. It is a collection of text documents and other resources linked by hyperlinks, usually accessed by web browsers from web servers. Web can be thought of as an application running on the Internet. Basically, the web is used on Hypertext Transfer Protocol, the language which allows a person to jump, which is hyperlink, to any other public web page. Now, to briefly explain Webmail, it is an email client implemented as a web application accessed via a web browser. Examples would be Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, and AOL Mail. Now, there is an advantage to being able to send and receive emails from a web browser. A disadvantage is the need to be connected to the Internet while using it. So that briefly describes Webmail. Now, I would like to take the time for just a few seconds to show you briefly for visual learners exactly what I mean by the Internet. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to connect to the Internet. And as we see, this is my Google search bar. I'm going to put in the school address to connect to the World Wide Web. And there's the web page. So basically, I connected to the Internet first, and then I put in my hyperlink to connect to the World Wide Web. Now, to briefly show you about Webmail, I'm going to go to yahoo.com, which is pulling that up now. Now, as you see the sign in, you would need to sign in using your username and password, and then you would click on the mail link, and it would pull up your emails. Then you would be able to receive your emails and create an email to send to someone else. Thank you for your time, and you all have a great day.